Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It is HeyKenTennille. I changed my name, but I'll be discussing that in a later date. Today we are working with a company called Jessie'sWig. They sent me over a 9x6 closure wig, and let me tell y'all, it gives a look of a closure or of a frontal, but it's very easy to install like a closure, and I'm going to be showing you guys how we do a glueless closure install. So I'm showing you all the goodies they gave me. The lashes that they gave me were actually super duper cute, and I ended up installing those in this video that you guys see. But when I tell y'all, this hair was so freaking soft and full, and this is the parting space that they give you. You can do a deep middle part, and that's one of the things I really enjoyed about this wig. And even if I wanted to do a side part, all I have to do is tilt the wig to the side a little bit and do that. But y'all, I really want to get into the knots of this wig. They were super duper small. I would go back and bleach them just a little bit more, because as you can see, they're still a little bit, they show a little bit, but it's still really, really good. It came pre-plucked. They did pre-bleach it, but like I said, you're gonna have to go back and bleach it a little bit more just to get that flawless look. And y'all, like, look at this. It looks so freaking natural. So when you get your wig, there is gonna be a little bit of lace left on the edge of the perimeter of your wig, and I just cut it off. It's really not that big of a deal. You just take some razors or some scissors and cut it jaggedly so you don't see that extra lace. But you guys, this is a true 100% HD lace. Like when they say HD, they mean HD. It is not, a lot of companies will say they have HD wigs, but it would be more so on the white spectrum. This was a true HD lace. And look at this parting space, y'all. If you are somebody that loves a deep middle part, this wig is for you. So as of right now, I am taking my Cara wax stick. You guys see this in most of my wig install videos, and laying down my part so that it could be very crisp, straight, and flat to my head. A hot comb and a wax stick are the most important things you need to make sure you have a seamless and flat install. Like, nothing else matters but a hot comb and a wax stick. So I am going in with a little bit of makeup just to tint the lace a little bit more so it matches my skin perfectly. And I'm going to take my Nairobi mousse to set it. And then I'm going to take my Jessie's headband that they sent me and put it on my head for about 20. I left it on for the duration of the style that I'm about to do. So yeah, Nairobi is a game changer for glueless wigs. If you're not using Nairobi or Lotta Body, what are you doing? So I am at the styling portion of this video. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer. I got this blow dryer from TJ Maxx. Honestly, I don't even remember what brand it was, but I just blow dried my hair a little bit more because I'm getting ready to cut layers into my hair. I decided to do a deep 90s layered look. I've always wanted to try this, and I felt like this was the perfect hair to do that with because it was just so silky, smooth, and flowy, and that's exactly the type of hair I needed for this look. So yes, I am taking scissors and cutting my layers. I started from my chin and went down, and you guys want to take your time with this. You don't want to rush because you don't want to cut too many layers. So I'm taking my time. I'm measuring out where I want my layers to be because I'm going to eventually flip them. So now that we have our layers cut, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and I'm gonna flip them. When I say flip, I don't mean like when your grandma used to flip your hair like to your chin where it's touching the back of your neck. Not like that. We're gonna do a soft flip. So I'm using the brush and kind of using the brush to guide the flat iron. And after my flat iron gets to the bottom of my hair, I'm using it to kind of flip. You guys see that little flip? It's probably better if you watch it because me explaining it, I feel like it's all over the place. But take your brush. Your brush is really going to give you that flip. You want to put your brush underneath your flat iron so that it can mold into that flip that you want. So it's going to help your flat iron and the heat direct where you want your curls to go because we want it flipped inward. We don't want it... You guys get what I'm saying? extension look is giving very much so 90s, early 2000s flip. I love this look so freaking much, y'all. I'm excited. Y'all know I'm only gonna promote the best of the best hair on my channel, and when I tell you this hair served every expectation that I had about weave in my life, this hair was just looking at the footage, the luster, the density, just everything about this hair was amazing. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe so I can post more videos for you guys. Follow me on all my socials, and thank you so much. See you guys in the next one.
I'm a 10, so I pull in a cat like Jazzy, Stacy, Ricky. All of the Barbies.